Stop. Before you spend your hard-earned money on the GoPro Hero 12 Black, you need to see this. I've spent weeks testing this camera in every scenario, and I'm here to give you the brutally honest review that could save you from buyer's remorse. It promises incredible 5.3K HDR video, Emmy-winning HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, and a huge battery boost. But here's what surprised me, and honestly disappointed me. This isn't the massive upgrade GoPro wants you to believe it is. For the best price, click the link in the description. Therefore, if you're expecting a revolutionary new action camera, you might want to hold on to your wallet. Let's dive into the 3 biggest problems you won't hear in the official marketing. First, the so-called huge boost in battery life. GoPro boasts 2x longer recording at 5.3K 60, up to 70 minutes. But in real-world use, that claim has more conditions than a prenuptial agreement. It requires a specific temperature, almost no wind, and basically a laboratory environment. Therefore, when I took it out on a real hike, recording in 4K, the battery life was better than the Hero 11, sure, but nowhere near double. It's an improvement, not a miracle. The new Enduro battery is good, but it's not a reason to upgrade alone. Speaking of upgrades, that's problem number 2. The Hero 12 Black feels less like a new generation and more like a Hero 11.5. It uses the same sensor, the same screen, the same core housing. Therefore, the headline features are mostly software tricks. The new HDR mode is nice for high-contrast scenes, giving you better details in shadows and highlights. But it's not a night and day difference for most users, and it can sometimes make colors look a bit flat if you don't tweak the settings. The stabilization, HyperSmooth 6.0, is fantastic. It really is silky smooth. But again, it's a minor iterative bump from the already great 5.0. It's like getting a slightly quieter refrigerator. You appreciate it, but you don't throw a party. This leads me to the third and biggest problem for many, the price. At $339, it's positioned as a premium tool. But therefore, you expect premium performance and support. And this is where GoPro's ecosystem shows cracks. The GoPro Quick app, which you need for automatic uploads and grabbing stills from videos, is notoriously clunky. It's slow, it's buggy, and the subscription model to unlock cloud features feels like being asked to pay for the steering wheel after buying the car. Without it, you lose the auto-upload highlight reels they advertise. It's a frustrating paywall in an already expensive package. So, is there anything good? Of course. That's the twist. Let's do a deep dive on where the Hero 12 Black genuinely excels. The image quality is, objectively, stunning. The 5.3K video is packed with detail, and the 27MP photos are sharp. It's rugged, waterproof to 33 feet without a case, and the mounting system is still the best in the business. The new vertical video support built-in is a huge win for TikTok and Reels creators. No more awkward cropping in post. And yes, HyperSmooth 6.0 is black magic for killing shake. You could strap this to a hyperactive dog and get a watchable clip. Therefore, as a piece of hardware, it's incredibly capable. But is it $339 capable? That depends on who you are. If you're coming from a Hero 10 or older, the jump will feel significant. The battery life, HDR, and stabilization improvements are all real benefits. But if you own a Hero 11 Black, you should probably stay put. The differences are minimal. Think of it like this. Upgrading from the Hero 11 to the 12 is like getting a new phone case for your year-old phone. It feels fresh, but the phone inside is basically the same. This camera is a master of making mundane activities look epic, though I'm still waiting for a stabilization mode that can smooth out my terrible dance moves. Now, for the resolution. Should you buy the GoPro Hero 12 Black? Here's my final take. Don't buy it if you're expecting a groundbreaking new sensor or revolutionary features. That's the honest warning from the title. However, you absolutely should buy it if you are a first-time GoPro buyer, a creator needing top-tier stabilization and vertical video, or upgrading from a model older than the Hero 11. It consolidates the best of GoPro into a tough, reliable package. Therefore, despite its flaws and the iterative nature, it remains the king of the action camera hill. The competition is catching up, but for seamless integration, mounting options, and proven performance, GoPro is still the safe bet. It's the camera you can take anywhere without a second thought, whether you're skiing, snorkeling, or just trying to film your kid's soccer game without getting a concussion from the ball. It turns you into an accidental action hero, even if your biggest adventure is a trip to the grocery store. So, my final advice: weigh your needs against your budget. The value is there for the right user. For everyone else, a used Hero 11 or even a Hero 10 might be the smarter financial play. And remember, the best accessory for any GoPro is a sense of adventure and a few extra batteries. For the best price on the GoPro Hero 12 Black on Amazon, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.